Hello, juniors. This video is to introduce you into how to calculate statistics within a Google Sheet. So here I have the individual number of blocks of NCAA women volleyball players. So inside the Google Sheet, I have copied and pasted all of our data. And now I'm going to calculate the mean, the median, standard deviation, and our two quartiles, the first quartile and the third quartile. Now the mean, also known as the average, when we insert a function, we want to look at our statistic functions, statistical. And when you look, it's all alphabetical. Find average. Then we need to know where our data is. You could highlight it, or you could also click on that first cell, semicolon, and then the last value in our data set is right there, 51. So I'm going to go back. Of course, there's an error. They're finding the average of only one number. So we need to finish that with A51. And notice that it selected the whole column of our data. Hit enter, and we can see that our average number of blocks amongst these particular players is about 11.9 blocks. Then to find the median, same process, insert, function, statistical, but now go down to M for median. Again, we need A2, A51. And we can see that the middle number of blocks is 10 blocks. Now the standard deviation, insert, function, statistical. There's a lot of standard deviation looking items, but find the one that just says standard deviation, not standard deviation of an entire population. We don't know every volleyball player in the world, or this one is a special standard deviation. Notice the S at the end, or the A, the P, all of those extra ones. We just want standard deviation. And again, A2, A51. And so on average, each of these players is about 6 blocks from an average of around 12 blocks. Now the quartiles are a little different. Insert, function, statistical, find Q, PQ, quartile. But now we're going to put in our list just like we did before in the other calculations, but we need a comma of 1. And this will tell us our first quartile. Let me bring you back to that cell. Notice that comma 1 is very similar to how we use Desmos to get a quartile. And if you used quartile 2, you would see that you get the median value of 10. Let's do one more time for the third quartile. Insert, function, statistical, quartile. A2, A51, and now comma 3. This gives us our third quartile. So 75% of the players are under 16 blocks. Thank you for watching this video.